In this video you will learn how to connect Spectrum pods to Wi-Fi. First, download the My Spectrum app. Install the My Spectrum app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your Spectrum account. Open the app and log in with your Spectrum username and your password. Plug in the Spectrum pod. Plug in the Wi-Fi pod into a wall outlet near your existing router. Wait for the light on the pod to turn solid white or blinking, ready to pair. Open the app and go to the Wi-Fi settings. In the app, go to the Service tab, then select Internet and tap Set up equipment. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will help you walk through pairing the pod with your network. It may take a few minutes to connect. Place the pods around your home. After you set up, plug the pod into your wall outlet halfway between your router and the area with a weak signal. Avoid placing behind furniture or in dead zones. Connect connection in the app. Check connection. Make sure you use the app to check signal connection strength and make sure the pod is working correctly. Now you know how to connect Spectrum pods to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.